Hi everyone, welcome back to our NCLive Mondays. I'm very excited to join you again. I love showing people the different resources you have through NCLive. There are so many that are good for students, good for adults who just want to access the newspaper, for anybody who wants to watch documentaries. I mean, there are so many different things you can do on NCLive. I'm going to show you one of my absolute favorite databases today. Is very helpful if you're job searching. So if you go here to Books and More and you click that and it gives you the drop down menu, the one we're looking at today is called Cypress Resume. So again, very helpful if you're looking for jobs. And it's also one of the databases that we have a direct link to from this page. So I'm just going to click the Cypress Resume link. I'm in the library, so it's going to take me directly there, but if you're accessing this from home, it's going to pop up with a page where you need to choose your library and then type in your library card number, but then it's going to come to this page here that we're looking at now. So this is the main page of Cypress Resume. We are going to start from scratch, and the great thing about this resource is that you type in your information and it formats it for you. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to worry about getting the margins right and trying to fit all the information that you need in there. It does it for you, which is absolutely amazing. It's very easy. If you come down here to create your resume and hit go, it's going to take you to where you can create your resume. If you have one already, then you just log in. So you can create an account so that it keeps your resumes, which I highly recommend that you do, just so you don't have to create a new one from scratch every time. But if we're creating one from scratch, we're going to go here with Get Started. I'm going to choose which one that I'd like. So of course we all know different resumes have different formats. So it's whichever one you want to do. For today, I'm going to just hit Use Strictly Business, and here we go. This is where, again, you'll enter your information. So your basic information, it's going to take you through to your employment history once you've got all this implemented, and you can always, if you have more stuff to enter, just hit the I have more stuff to enter, and it gives you the space for that. And then you keep going on to the next section, which is your education history, and any special anything you want to add. This thing really has all sorts of information. Of course, it's going to tell you if there's something that you absolutely have to have that you may have forgotten, because we all know that resumes need certain information. So right now it's telling me that I haven't entered in that information. But once you once you have done that, once you have inputted everything, done everything you need to do, it's going to let you go on to the next step, which is reviewing your resume, and then you'll be able to download it and print it. So you can absolutely do that here at the library, or you can do it from home. Again, if you're doing it from home, you'll need to have your library card number handy. But it's such a great resource, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for jobs, or if you just want to make sure that you have that resume just in case you need it. This is a great resource, and it's free, absolutely free. So thank you again for joining me for another NCLive tutorial. I hope that you can join me next time. Thanks so much.